Hey YouTube, so just got home. It's Friday. So anyway, these came in the box, taped together. Okay, so I want to show you what I got. This is related to my bumper build. Ready to see what I bought? Got this from eBay for a really cheap price. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, really? Excuse me. Flowers are blooming. Motors in the air. So, got these bad boys for my bumper. Pretty bad. Okay. Mounting. Same thing. So, what I'm going to do, okay, is I'm going to install these onto the truck. And hey, if you are interested, follow me and let's go have some fun together. But first I gotta build brackets. Okay, brackets. Why, you say? So that I can install it onto the truck. Gotta build bracket, weld it in, and it's done. Okay, so let's go build some brackets. Okay guys, so I'm gonna make little tabs, brackets, so that I can install my lights. So how I make the tabs is pretty easy. Just take a straight edge. This is a very thin metal. You don't need thick metal. This is probably about 14 gauge or 16 gauge. Okay. So how I do this, how I usually do this, if you're interested, is I will draw a line, okay? A square, a straight edge. And then what I do is I measure this, and this is 11 inches. Okay. Yeah, it's 11 inches. So 11 divided by 2 is 5, 10, 1, 0, 5.5, 5.5. Okay, so 5.5. This is 5.5 right here. So that's 5.5. There. Okay. Hey guys, so this is what I did. This is the fog light. Okay. This is the bracket I built. It's gonna go in like this. Okay. I could put it in. Okay. I wish the supplier supplies me with washers, because this thing ain't gonna come. It ain't coming with any washers. So there. So what it is I'm gonna weld this onto my bumper, and that's that. But let me shave this off a little bit so that it'll go on really nicely, and I can do it, and I can make a good weld. Okay. So I'll show you how it looks like after I am done shaping that. Okay. Okay guys, so I thought I was not going to show this part, but I'm going to show it anyway, just in case you're left out there and you don't know what to do. So these are the fog lights, right? So right now I'm wiring them up. I'm prepping the ends here. See, I've stripped off some wires right here, and so I'm prepping the end so that I can install it onto my truck. So red is negative, black is I'm sorry, black is negative, red is positive. That's usually how it works in the DC direct current world for automotive. Okay, but then when it comes to houses, it's different. Black usually means that it's hot. Okay, so here I have these connectors, and I am squishing them in like that. It doesn't take a rocket scientist to figure this out. Where I get these, I got them from eBay. These are shrinkable heat shrink connectors. You apply heat to it and it'll shrink. Okay, so now notice I nip these on this end, these ends, so that I can insert this to the other side. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply heat to this end, and as you can see, starts to shrink. Heat shrink connections. And what it does here is it shrinks to the point where it seals the connection and does not allow water in it. Okay, I don't know if you could still see that. Okay, so it's pretty nice now. And that's what I did to this side as well. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna go and connect this to the car. Okay, so here it is. This is the connector. It goes to the car. I've made it so that the black one is negative and the blue line here is positive. So here, let me even out the lines. Okay, so use my wire stripper. Strip the end. Use my wire stripper here. Strip the other end. There. Both ends are stripped. So now we're going to bring my fog lights. Bring my fog light here, and as you can see, what I'm going to do is I'm going to twist the ends here so that it's bunched together. So black goes to black. Black is negative. Okay. Okay. And then I crunch the end here together, or down, so that it'll become one. There. See? So this is pretty easy. So these lines, they connects to the same switch that came with the car, the little fog light switch. It's so yeah, that's where they're gonna go. Okay, so cinch, crunch, crunch. There you go. So it's in. Now it's time to bring the fire. Heat shrink them. So it's all shrunk in. So the reason why I like these little heat shrink splice is because they make a good seal, keeps the moisture away. And they are good. So that's that. And I'll show you how it looks like. So this line right here, right? This line right here, it goes to the original connectors. Okay, so it's for my little fog light, and I'll show you how it looks like. Turn on the light. Okay, my fog light. Oh, hope I don't have to turn on the engine. Yep, it's on. Oh, right here. You see that? Okay, so basically everything is the same. Everything else is the same. You see this? You seen everything? Oh, let me tell you what I did last night. I fabricated brackets here too, so they're welded on. Okay, and here as well, and here as well, and here as well. So they're welded onto the frame. I just need to spray this thing with the same paint that I have here, and it'll be great. So guys, I'll show you how the end result looks like. Okay guys, so this is how it looks like. I painted the bracket here. What I like about this paint here, the truck bed coating, is that they are really very forgiving. As you can see, the painting here, it looks like it hasn't been touched. Well, it does, but then it really hides the mistake that you do. Once that's dry, I'm going to give it another coat of paint. This as well, and this as well. And here is my wire. Oh, I forgot to heat shrink this. So, and this too. So I'm going to heat shrink these and heat shrink everything. Yeah, but it's coming along very well. So I'll let it dry, do a couple more coat, heat shrink the connectors, and then call it a day. And I just have to adjust the tab to make the light level, and that's it, guys. Okay guys, so this is how it looks like. Finally finished.